There's a number of ways in which divorce law intersects with real estate issues, be it the legal side of real estate or just some of the functional operations of when parties have a marital home or multiple marital properties. We have a number of ways in which they intersect between valuation rules, how we go about figuring out who gets what, considerations around the real estate expenses, the legal side of things of minding court orders and obligations, but then also some of the real estate agent issues of dealing with divorcing parties. And then we're also going to talk a little bit about post-decree issues, such as enforcing what the agreement was when maybe one party is not complying with the way they're supposed to, which may still be relevant to you, especially if there is a circumstance where, say, they're listing the house for sale and the divorce goes through, the listing's still present, and then there's somebody that's not paying the mortgage or keeping the real estate in good condition for saleability or something like that, where all of a sudden you're still involved with them, even though the divorce